Psychology as a subject of study has largely developed in the West since the late 19th century. During this period, there has been an emphasis on scientific thinking. Because of this emphasis, there have been many scientific studies in psychology which dash different aspects of human nature. So the noun is plural. We are talking about many studies. There have been many studies in psychology which dash. So we are referring to the studies here which dash different aspects of human nature. So what do we have in the options? These studies discover different aspects, the studies search, the studies investigate, or the studies explore. Investigate is a verb that we use to find out if something negative has happened. So now we are investigating that how this could happen. For example, investigating a crime, investigating any issue or problems, that is how we use the word investigate. Search is basically look for, which search is more used with physically looking for something. Discover is to find out something which is new, which has not been found out till now. But here the sentence says there have been many studies which dash different aspects of human nature. They did not say new aspects of human nature. This different aspects of human nature means there are already different aspects and the studies just want to know about them. So know about is explore. Explore word is used when you want to say you want to know more and more about something, then we use the word explore the different aspects of human nature. These include studies into how biology influences human experience, how people use their dash to get to know the world, how people develop, how people behave in certain ways, so how people use their dash to get to know the world. What can people use to know more about the world? People can use their touch, taste, senses, or sight. So talking about sight, taste, and touch is very, very narrow. We cannot just touch the thing and know about it. We cannot just look at the thing and know about it. So we can say that we use our senses. Senses also include our understanding, our thinking power, our grasping power. So that's how we can use the word senses, that we use our senses. Basically we want to say that we use our brain to get to know the world, how people develop, how people behave in certain ways, how memory works, how people develop language, how people dash and think about the world. How people dash, so what can people do? How can people appreciate, know, understand, or recognize? If you carefully see, the spellings of recognize are wrong. We cannot say that how people recognize. We can appreciate, how people appreciate and think about the world. Appreciate is to say good things about something or to be thankful of something. That is how we use the word appreciate. And how people know, but we all know about the world. It's better to say how people understand, because understanding can be different for every different individual. I can understand the world in a different way, like it's a happy, peaceful place for us, and somebody can have a really negative viewpoint about the world. So we can have different understandings about the world, what motivates people, why people have emotions, and how personality develops. These scientific dash. So these means we need a plural answer here, and we look at the options. We have only one plural option. Search, analysis, and survey, all three are positive. Analysis with SIS is always singular. The one with SES is the plural one. So here we need plural option. So the only option we have is investigations. All contribute to an understanding of human nature.